I've been looking at lithium mining stocks lately as a continuation on the power theme. We've seen the power and energy theme continue to play out. So the last thing that would be involved would be lithium. Lithium has been uninvestable for a long time. There's been a huge oversupply in the market. Like lithium has been kind of a joke as far as like investing or trading for like years. But it does have booms and busts. So what we've seen lately is the price has gone up a lot. The price of lithium carbonate, this is the price of lithium carbonate, it's gone up a lot this past month. It's up like 20% this month, which is a huge surge. And the mining stocks have actually been participating with this surge with the price, of course. So there's a couple of things behind the price. There's some uncertainty with the Chinese market. Obviously, a lot of tension, going on there with the Chinese supply. So there's some uncertainty with that, and what I think there's just a play on the technological boom too, like with more power backup needed for all these power plants are building, and there's another play too. There's like a futuristic play with the humanoid robots, which is like it sounds it's kind of far fetched because the humanoid robots aren't here yet, and it's probably like 10 years or so, in my opinion, probably till they're here. But like like Elon Musk said, there's going to be like a billion of them. So even if he's wrong and it's like a million, millions, there's going to be a some humanoid robots doing some things. I imagine, in like 5 or 10 years. So the futuristic plays have been the theme lately. So the humanoid robots, their main power supply is lithium batteries, and lithium batteries also supply the power backup for data centers. So you got that futuristic play. It's kind of been playing out here in the market. So just the price of the lithium alone is going to be enough to keep stocks going if it keeps going up. Like it's kind of a speculative trade because lithium's been so it's a total contrarian trade where you're a contrarian trade where you're betting against like the status quo, like the mainstream view. So when you're against the mainstream view, you're contrarian, and definitely lithium is contrarian still, but that's why I like it because it hasn't run yet. Everything's moving. So let's check out some lithium mining stocks. We got this LAC. If LAC can get above like 350, it looks good. But right now the technicals are looking a little sketchy here because it just broke off that pennant. So it needs to reclaim and it looks good. My favorite one is ATLX because it's ATLX. They have the rare earth component too, and the rare earth elements have been a huge theme lately. So this one has two themes. It's got the rare earth elements. This one they just did some exploration. They found a huge payload of rare earths and with a good quantity of rare earth. It's like a pretty substantial find. So it got a boost on that here the other day. That was these big volume spikes came in. So this one I like. The technicals look good too. So this is probably my favorite one going here. It looks good on a break. Just it breaks above 543. If it hits like 545, it's like a good buy here to me. It's got some technical bottom here. It's got a base going. So this is what they call like I call it a rounding bottom, but some people call it a cup and handle, where it's just like it looks like it's a cup bottom where it looks like a cup. So then it's gonna go off and up here and then maybe bounce around and blast off again maybe. But yeah, I mean it all depends on what lithium does. So I don't know what we don't know. We never know for sure what lithium's gonna do. So when you trade a mining stock, you're betting on that commodity to go up too, like gold or silver. So you want to see those prices go up. But this chart looks really good to me. And the other one, the biggest one, or the obvious one's lithium, the ETF. This is the ETF. Like it's like a basket of lots of companies. Like Albemarle is like the biggest lithium miner in the United States, and it's got that. It's got Tesla too, which is kind of not exactly what I was looking for with the play, but this play particularly. But you can see here it's got a downtrend break. This red line here, it broke the momentum going down and broke up, and it broke above that line. So it's got good momentum higher here, and it's got. I think this is gonna be the new trend support where it's gonna bounce because it bounced off there a couple times already. So looks pretty good. I think it goes up its test to like 49. So I like this one the most, along with the ATLX and the LAC if it actually starts going again. But those are what I'm looking at here for this play.